This video will provide you with tips on how to set up a school-level Wixie account using a CSV file. To get started, log into your Wixie administrator account and select the Accounts tab on top. Be sure CSV Upload is selected on the left. Download the Tech for Learning CSV template with header rows, locate and open the file. Fill out all of the columns on the CSV file, starting with the reference ID for each student. We recommend using the student number or a unique identifier from your system. Next, enter the students' first names and last names. The student login field requires the student's unique username. This field will be required whether you are choosing to have students log in with usernames and passwords, Google IDs, LTI, or another format. If using Google, be sure to include their full Google ID. If you are using a method other than username and password for users to log in, then leave the password column blank. For example, if your students are logging in with Google, a password is not required. Enter the student's grades. Wixie recognizes grades pre-K through 12. Enter each class's unique identifier in the Class Reference ID field. Then enter the class name that the student should be attached to. Choose a class name that is easy for students and teachers to identify. Students and teachers can be attached to more than one class. Add a unique teacher reference ID. Teacher first and last name. And a unique login or username. Again, if you'd like users to log in with Google, LTI, or another method, be sure the username matches identically. Lastly, enter a password only if you've chosen to have users log in with a username and password. Leave this field blank if you are using Google or any other method. Be sure to review the information you've added and save your file as a CSV. Then visit your Wixie administrator account to upload and process your CSV. If you receive an error or need additional assistance, please reach out to your Wixie integration specialist.